Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how to enable Bluetooth in safe mode. Working on Windows XP, Vista 7, 8 or later. Please don't worry about security because this is a safe way to turn on Bluetooth in safe mode. Now we begin with the video. First we will check that if we can turn on Bluetooth service from services. Go to Start, type Services. Click Enter or click the service name. These are the Bluetooth services. They may not start as you are running safe mode. But let us try. It may show like this. Highlight the name of the services like this and now copy it. Now minimize the services tab. Now press Windows logo key and R. Type regedit. 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 Enter. Expand local H key local machine and system. Then current control set. Control. Control then safe boot. Now click on minimal if you are using safe mode and click on network if you are using safe mode with networking. I am using network. Click once on minimal or network. Now right click. New key. Now now rename with the copied Bluetooth service name. Paste it. Now click on default. Right click. Click on modify. Now type service. Type the value data as service. Click OK. Now go to the services tab. Now click the double click on the second services name. Highlight and copy the second services name. Now go back to Regedit. Click on minimal or network, right click again and click on new key. New key. Right click and click on new key. Okay, now paste it with the second services name. Now copy the same thing. Click on default. Right click. Click on modify. Type the value data as service. You must take care about the capital and small letters. Now go to services. Go to start, type services. Hit enter. Now click on the Bluetooth service. Click on the start button. Now Bluetooth is starting. Click OK. Click on the second Bluetooth service. Click on start again. Now Bluetooth is starting. Now Bluetooth is on. If you want it to load every time, then click on automatic and click OK. Now we have to test that Bluetooth is working properly or no. Click on any file, right click and then send to Bluetooth device. Let's check it. I am sending a document. Right click and now send to Bluetooth device. Okay, now select the desired device you want to send. Click on next. The file is being sent. After it has completed, click finish. Now you can see that the Bluetooth is now working properly. Like this video if you find this video informational. Also subscribe to me if you want any more videos. And also tell me in the comment section that if you want any other videos on the basis of another topic.